So, hello mga boss, this is BossTL again. Dito tayo sa Spider helmet. Tara, pasok tayo. Hindi tayo ng helmet. Now, yung other choices natin, tara, tingin tayo ng size nito. Very good.
Hello po!
Shoutout Spider helmet. Thank you guys! Hello, good morning mga boss. This is BossTL again. Ngayong araw, we are very ecstatic. Sobrang saya natin. Because just recently, actually, it was just yesterday, nagkaroon tayo ng one very important progress sa ating vlogging career. Actually, hindi naman career to it's just a pastime. Pero yun nga, it's a milestone kung i-consider natin yon. Yesterday, we got contacted by SPYDER Philippines. We were able to get our very first sponsor, official sponsor. So as of yesterday, we became an official ambassador of SPYDER Helmets Philippines. Well, basically, I am speechless. Wala tayong masabi. I'm not really expecting any sponsorship kasi maliit lang naman yung YouTube channel natin. And we have a very small following sa ating Facebook page and Instagram account. So in a way, we weren't really expecting any sponsorship anytime soon. But ayun nga, thanks to our friend who referred us to SPYDER Philippines, so they were able to see the contents of what we are doing sa YouTube channel natin. And fortunately, and I'm happy to say, they like our content. So they offered this collaboration with me. If I choose to accept, I would be an official ambassador for SPYDER Philippines. Sino naman ako para tumanggi, di ba? So that being said, being an official ambassador of SPYDER Philippines, it is but logical na gagamitin natin in our vlogs would be SPYDER helmets. That is why pupunta tayo sa SM East Ortigas at kukunin natin ang ating helmet that we would be using in our future vlogs. Actually I was already planning on buying a modular helmet. Hindi pa lang talaga sure kung anong brand yung bibiling ko before. So it is really fortunate na tipong we got this offer from SPYDER. So yun, magkakaroon tayo bigla ng ating sariling helmet. Okay? So yun nga, we are headed to SM East Ortigas. Ganun lang yun, short vlog. I just like to share this great news to you guys. So thank you guys for supporting and see you around. Hello guys, so nandito na tayo sa SM East Ortigas. We're going to the SPYDER store, SPYDER helmet store. Dito sa second store, katabi ng department store dito sa SM. We'll be getting our very first SPYDER helmet sponsored by SPYDER Philippines. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako. So hello mga boss, so finally dumating na yung kasama natin.
Late na naman.
After a very long time dumating na rin, at least may kasama na tayo kasi mahihain tayo So may makakasama na tayo to claim our helmet here sa SPYDER branch dito sa SM Ortigas. So kasamahan niya ako mag-ikot dito sa loob ng shop para mamili ng helmet. Okay? Tara! Hello guys! Dito tayo sa SPYDER Helmet Philippines branch nila dito sa SM East Ortigas. Nandito tayo to claim our helmet from SPYDER Philippines. And I'd like to thank Sir Jab for giving me the opportunity to be a brand ambassador of SPYDER Philippines. And also dito sa cameraman natin, Nats, for referring me for referring me to Sir Jap at maging brand ambassador tayo. For the time being, tara, pasok tayo. Hindi tayo ng helmet. Tara! So actually guys, binigyan tayo ng chance to pick a helmet. Any helmet actually, except for the carbon fiber. Medyo out of ano sa atin yan, out of scope. So, but anyways, binigyan tayo ng chance mamili ng kahit anong helmet natin that we could use for our vlogging purposes going forward as a brand ambassador of Spyder. So, isa sa mga kinukonsider natin is yung full face. Actually, there is quite a lineup of full face helmets here, including yung enduro helmet nila o yung motored helmet nila. Pero as I explained earlier, meron na tayong helmet in mind. Pinag-iisipan na natin talaga kumuha ng isang klaseng helmet, which is the modular helmet. Yun yun. So, just the same, I'd like to show you what the offerings are for the full face helmet ng Spyder. Ito yun. Guys, ito pala yung mga latest models nila. So actually, I was confused kasi may DSP na nakalagay dito. So I was thinking it was for downshift Vinci of sort, pero hindi naman down. Pero based on this one, isa sa mga nagustuhan pa actually itong vlog na to. This one is really good. Ganda siya. Ito kasi matte finish, ito yung glossy. So if you're the type na tipong medyo hindi medyo maselan sa helmet, this one would be yours na mas bagay. The gloss finish one is madaling linisin. Bagay ba? Now, yung other choices natin are what we call motored helmets or enduro helmets. So, eto, pinagandahan na ito, meron siyang visor. Especially, this would be good if you like motocross or something like that. Or just basically doesn't really want yung sinag ng araw. I had one before, like this one. It's more on plain white. Ang kinagandahan nito pag matindi ang sinag ng araw, you have this. But the downside of having this is it's not really advisable for high-speed riding. Gets weight on high winds. So, ang tendency niyan, pag sa high winds ka, ganun-ganun ang ulo mo. Medyo nakakapagod. Okay. So, punta tayo sa napili natin. So, ayun nga, as we mentioned earlier, ang natimpuhan natin dito sa Spyder helmet ngayon talaga is their modular series, yung modular helmets nila. So basically, there are 3 modular helmet lineups ang meron Spyder. We have the Force, we have the Arrow, and we have the Rover. The Rover is the one that has the bigger shell. Okay. This one is the latest release, 2022. So actually, ito yung nagustuhan nating graphics. The color combination is very good. White and black with a touch of red. So, well, basically, this color combination goes with almost color variant ng motorcycles. Kaya, this one is what we are going to use so that we could use this when riding RN Max and RKTM. Right? So, tara, tingin tayo na size nito. Tignan natin kung meron. And hopefully, we could get this helmet with our own size. Alright, so this would be our new helmet, XL. So, sukatin muna natin. Yeah, okay, dual visor siya. Ayos. The good thing about this modular helmet, lalo na sa mga nakasalamin, ang problema kasi sa mga nakasalamin, every time na tipong magsusuot ka ng helmet, kailangan pantanggalin yung salamin mo. Ang advantage of having a modular is hindi na natin kailangan tanggalin yung salamin natin. Diba? It's okay? Oo nga pala, I'd like to thank the people of Spyder, si Ma'am Yola and si Ma'am Annie, for assisting me sa pagpili ng helmet dito sa Spyder branch nila. Ma'am, do you have anything to say to our viewers?
Hello po. please follow our Facebook page, Spider Philippines East Ortigas. Ayan, para updated kayo sa mga bagong stocks namin and new arrivals.
Ayan. Ma'am, any channel na papanoorin nila sa inyo? TikTok?
TikTok po, may TikTok po pala kami, Spider East Ortigas po. Pa-follow po kami sa sa TikTok po. Thank
Ma'am,
you.
nagsasayo kayo doon?
Yung sa mismong account ko, sir, oo.
Ayun, again.
Ano po, follow nyo din po yung namin, Spider Philippines Official po sa Facebook page, website, Team Spider, and sa teamspider.ph, and meron din po si TikTok, si Spider na TikTok, Team Spider, TikTok and IG. Thank you.
Ayan. Again, thank you Spider Philippines for sponsoring my helmet. Alright? More collaborations about. Alright. So yun mga boss, turns out not only are we getting one helmet, may kasama rin palang isang gloves tayong pwedeng kunin. Actually, what we wanted is a mesh gloves. Kaso lang yung mga available mesh gloves dito, ang sizes maliliit sa atin, large and medium lang yung available. This is the only available gloves na nasa XL, and unfortunately it is leather, pero since nag-iisa na lang to, no choice tayo, so ito kukunin natin. Let's try fitting these gloves. Tignan natin kung kasya sa kamay nating malapad. Okay, so let's try these gloves. It is leather, so XL siya. Since leather siya, medyo masikip-sikip, probably in time luluwag na siya, pero it is a perfect fit. Medyo masikip lang dito sa entrada, pero it's good enough. Very good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, mas.
Meron po. Balik ka ulit dito, sir.
Opo, babalik po. Yos! Patibag yan. Easy jersey. Shoutout Spider Helmet. Thank you guys.